Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high contrast text on this device. Firstly, you need to access device settings, then scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. Finally, you can click on accessibility over here and tap on the switcher next to high contrast text. As you can see, higher contrast is now on. You can always turn it off though by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!